Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Let us transcribe and sound very simple words together. Don't forget to try out some words. It can actually help to improve our memories, okay? Alright, I'm opening up the slashes. This is the first thing you do. Alright, then the sounds will be inside the slashes, okay? The first one here is sweet, bitter, clean, dirty, black, and white. No, sorry, this one is white. Alright, so let's go. Sweet, bitter, clean, dirty, black, white. Sweet, bitter, clean, dirty, black, white. I'll go over it just once more. Sweet, bitter, clean, dirty, black, white. Thank you so much for watching my video. The Lord bless you. Bye.